Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first two challenges, let's take up our third challenge now, which is create an alert product rule. So once if you launch your playground, click on app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ. So here just click on product rules followed by new. Let's copy our product rule name, which is given right over here. So just copy this and paste it over here. So for type we are gonna give alert, and for scope field we are gonna choose product. So for valuation event give save and check this active checkbox followed by all for condition met. And now for this message, let's copy the message which is given right over here in challenge and just come back, paste it over here followed by save. So guys, now if you scroll down right over here, you will find this error condition. So next to error condition, click on new. So here we are gonna choose product option for tested object, and just scroll down. For tested field we are gonna choose SBOQ product code and scroll down. So for operator we are gonna give equals. For filter type give it as value. Let's enter this filter value which is given right over here. So just copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, click on save and new. So here for tested object field choose product option, and for tested field SBQQ quantity, and scroll down, give operator as equals and choose value for filter type, and for filter value give it as 1. And guys, now click on save. So again if you scroll down over here, you will find this configuration rules. Next to configuration rule, click on new. So check this active. So under product we are gonna type home, so that you will get home security console. Just click on it followed by save. So guys, now in this global search I'm just going to search for capital Q hyphen followed by 00010, so that you will find this code. Just click on this code and now click on edit lines which is given right over on the top. So now click on add products. So don't click on drop down, just directly you can click on add product. So now I'm just going to search for home. Here we are going to add home security console. Just select this followed by select and now click on save. So if you are getting this alert, just click on continue followed by save. So guys, now again click on edit line. We have done one mistake over there. We need to change the quantity as well. So here just click on add products followed by home security. So choose this home security console, click on select. So here we are just going to change the quantity as 2, as it is given right over here in our challenge itself. So for Windows sensor we are going to change it as 2. Once if it is done, click on save. So this is all about our challenge. Click on save again. So guys, now let's come back and scroll down, click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our third challenge as well. So remaining two challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.